a high ping is a porcelain. Okay, we've got two very similar tiles here, but they're actually very different. On the top we've got a ceramic tile, and on the bottom we've got a porcelain tile. Both have different qualities and different structures, and I'm briefly going to explain it to you. So the top one is ceramic. You can use it on walls mainly, not too much on floors. Your bottom one is a porcelain, universally used indoors, outdoors, no real restrictions with this product. You'll find that the prices, the ceramic is slightly cheaper than the porcelain, but in recent years they've come a lot closer together. And if you're still unsure on how to identify a tile, if it's a ceramic or a porcelain, there's one simple tip. Pick it up, give it a knock. If it sounds like a dull thud, it's a ceramic. And then with the porcelain, if you give it a knock, a high ping is a porcelain. That's your secret tip to know which one you've got.